Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Instinct tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Instinct. So there are a couple reasons you turn this off. One would be conserve the battery, and also maybe you just don't like this green light on the back. Maybe it wakes you up at night or something like that. So to turn it on and off, what we need to do is go into the settings. To get in the settings, we'll hold down the menu button. Then once we're in the menu, use the ABC button to scroll down to Settings. Once we're in Settings, scroll down until you see Sensors and Accessories. Select that, and then in Sensors and Accessories, scroll down to Wrist Heart Rate and select it. So the status is currently auto, and that's when it's on. To turn that off, all you need to do is select it until it shows off, and as you can see, it's no longer detecting the heart rate and using the battery for that. Now to turn it back on, all you need to do is select it again, and then you can scroll down and see some of the other available settings in the heart rate monitor. To get back to your watch face, all you need to do is select the Set button until you see your watch face. So that's how you turn on or off the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Instinct. If you'd like to see more Garmin Instinct tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.